This task would normally take me at least 3 or 4 hours if I did everything manually. So, starting right now, I'm putting a timer in the corner of the screen to see whether an AI can actually turn those hours into just a few minutes. I have several PDF files, an Excel spreadsheet, and a bunch of scattered information. I need to extract important data, remove duplicate content, combine everything together, and finally turn it all into a professional management presentation. But before we get started, let's run a fun little test. I'm going to give the exact same files and the exact same prompt to both ChatGPT and Ottermind AI at the same time. ChatGPT on the left, Ottermind AI on the right. One of them will simply generate a response. The other will deliver a real, ready-to-use output. Which one do you think is which? Stay until the end of the video and we'll compare the results together. I'll head over to the Ottermind AI website. You'll find the link in the description below. After logging in, we enter the Workspace where we can upload our files, define the project goal, and let the AI agent handle the entire workflow. If you've used tools like Manus, ChatGPT Agent, GenSpark, Perplexity Labs, OpenClaw, or Hermes before, Ottermind AI belongs in the same category. But here's the main difference. Ottermind AI isn't just another chatbot. It's an AI workspace powered by autonomous AI agents. Instead of simply generating answers, it can research, read files, analyze information, execute workflows, create reusable skills, and even maintain the project's context throughout the entire process. So you don't have to keep explaining everything from scratch every step of the way. For this test, I've prepared several PDF files along with an Excel spreadsheet. My goal is to turn all of these files into an 8-slide executive presentation. I'll upload everything and type this prompt. Read all of these files, extract the key insights, data, risks, and recommendations. Then, create an 8-slide executive presentation based on them. Now, once I send the prompt, notice that it doesn't just generate some text. First, it goes through each file one by one. Then, it extracts the information, groups related content together, removes duplicate information, plans the presentation structure, and finally starts generating the actual output. This is exactly the difference Ottermind AI is trying to highlight. Most AI tools help you generate an answer. Here, the agent is actually executing the entire process instead of simply responding to a question. Alright, now we've reached the most important part of the video. Let's see what the final result looks like. This is the moment that really shows whether Ottermind AI is just another chatbot or whether it can actually get the job done. The first slide includes a proper cover page and a roadmap for the presentation. Then, it introduces the topic and organizes the information across the slides in a logical order. The following slides include the most important data, key insights, risks, and recommendations using tables and charts wherever necessary. Finally, it wraps everything up with the conclusion and summary. Personally, I think the content and overall structure make a lot of sense. The duplicate information has been removed, related topics are grouped together, and this slide sequence feels appropriate for an executive presentation. That said, there is one thing worth mentioning. From a design perspective, the presentation feels more like a formal business or academic report than a modern, visually appealing slide deck. So now, I want to take it one step further. Without starting the project from scratch, I'm going to ask it to redesign the same presentation with a more professional color palette, better icons, cleaner charts, charts, and an overall more modern look. The nice thing is that I don't have to upload the files again or rewrite the entire prompt. Since Ottermind AI remembers the project's context, it simply continues working from the existing workflow. A few moments later, the updated version is ready. Compared to the first version, the design definitely looks better. The color palette is more professional, the charts are easier to read, and the slides feel much more polished. Of course, if your prompt is more detailed or you're aiming for a specific visual style, you can probably get even better results. But for something that was generated almost entirely automatically, I'd say the quality is more than good enough. And this is just one example of what you can do with it. Whether you want to create an industry research report, turn a meeting transcript into an action plan, or automatically generate recurring weekly reports, you can use the same workflow for all of those tasks. Another feature I really like is automation. Imagine you need to generate the same type of report every week, or you receive new files every day that need to go through the exact same process. Instead of logging in every time, uploading the files again, and repeating the same steps over and over, you can simply create an automation. You configure the workflow once, choose the agent you want, and schedule when it should run. For example, every day at 9 a.m. or automatically once every week. From that point on, it handles the entire process by itself and generates a fresh output every time. For anyone who regularly works with weekly reports, file analysis, or repetitive projects, this feature alone can save a huge amount of time. Another useful feature is skills. If you repeatedly perform the same type of task, you can create reusable skills so the agent can apply the same approach to future projects without you having to explain everything again from scratch. Overall, the thing that impressed me the most wasn't that it generated some text or a presentation. It was the fact that it managed the entire project from beginning to end. It read the files, analyzed and organized the information, executed the workflow step by step, maintained the project's context, and ultimately delivered a real usable output. To me, that's the biggest difference between Ottermind AI and many other AI tools. Most AI tools help you generate answers. Ottermind AI helps you generate real results. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the Ottermind AI link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!